Hello BSc Botany Honours Semester 4 student. Here I am Dr. S. Khalko. Here I am deliver a lecture on classification system of Bentham and Hooker. Bentham and Hooker divided the seed plants or spermatophyte into three divisions: dicotyledons, gymnospermy, monocotyledons. Division first, dicotyledons. It includes plants with dicotyledon seeds, reticulate venetions of leaves, and pentamerous flowers. It has three classes: polypetally with free petals, gamopetally with fused petals, monoclymactic. Flowers have perianth, that means calyx and corolla are either not distinguished or plant petals are absent. Class 1, Polypetally. This class is divided into three series. First, Thalamiflory, flowers with superior ovary. This series is divided into 6 orders. These are Renels, Peritales, Polygalaeans, Carophyllaceae, Gutiliales, Malvaceae. Fourth is Dysphloraceae. Nectar's disc is present below the ovary. Ovary is superior. This series is divided into 4 orders, that is Jernales, Ordinales, Spinellales, and Clustrales. Third is Calyciflory. Flowers are generally epigynous. Either the ovary is superior. The series is divided into 5 orders: Rosales, Metals, Passiflores, Ficolaales, Delales, and Valales. Class 2, Gamopetally. The class is divided into 3 series. Inferi, flowers with inferior ovary. This series is divided into 3 orders: Rubales, Campales, and Asterales. Second is Heteromery. This series is divided into 3 orders: Ericales, Ebenales, Primulales. Third is Bicarpellary, flowers with bicarpellary syncarpous superior ovary, epipetalous stamens. The series is divided into 4 orders: Genitales, Personales, Polymonales, Laminales. Class 3, Monoclymactic. The flowers are either epipetalous or with perianth, as calyx and corolla are not distinguished. Generally incomplete flowers. The class is divided into 8 series. Series are not divided into orders, but directly families are assigned into it. The series are Curvy Embryogy, Multi-ovulate Terrestri, Multi-ovulate Equitaceae, Microembryo Damphelin, Acornaceae, Unisexuals, Ordinales, Animali. Division 2, Monoclymactic. The plants have seeds with only one cotyledons. Leaves shows parallel venation and flowers are trimerous. This division is divided into 7 classes. Each class includes family directly. There is no series or order. These classes are as follows: Microspermy, Epigynaceae, Coroneals, Claciniae, Nodiflorae, Apocarpaceae, and Glumaceae. Merits of the system of classification. The classification is very practical. Renals were considered as primitive dicots. The placements, that is Gamopetally, after Polypetally, also is supported by evolutionary conditions. Presence of Cucurbitaceae and Apiaceae at the end of Polypetally is justified. The phenograms were divided into 202 families. Cohorts starts with Ranunculaceae and ending in Gramineaceae. The monocots were categorized on the basis of position of ovary mainly and characters of perianth. In Gamopetally, the order starts with actinomorphic flowers, ruvales, and ends with zygomorphic flowers, personales, and laminales. Demerits: Polypetally starts with hypogyny, Thalamiflory, to epigynous Calyciflory, but Gamopetally starts with epigyny inferior and in hypogyny bicarpellate. Gymnosperms are sandwiched between dicots and monocots. Monoclamidae is an artificial class with a single character, that is, one rows of perianth. Related families of carbonyls could find place in Carophyllaceae. Protostaminaceae is related to roselles and Nephelminaceae to Parietals, etc. Retains of Nectarinaceae, Polypetalae, Amaranthacea, Chenopodiaceae, etc. in Monocotyledonine is not much diversified, as many of them have differentiated or declaminated perianth. Monocot starts with epigynous flowers, microspermy, and epigyne. Orchidaceae has been given a primitive position through it is a high advance in characters. Closely related Liliaceae and Amarylliaceae are kept apart in two different classes only on the basis of ovary position. Monoclamidae is divided upon series only. Monocotyledons were divided into class only. And this is the outline of the Bentham and Hooker system of classification. This is the Spermatophyta division, class Dicotyledonine, Gymnospermy, Monocotyledonine, class Polypetalae, Gammopetalae, Monoclamidae, and this is the series Thalamiflorae, Disflorae, Calyciflorae, the Gammopetalae series Inferi, Octobori, Bicarpillary, Monocotyledons, this class, and this is the Monocotyledons of the classes. That is the end of the classification. Thank you.